Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean SD and gathering files. Back up your NAND and copy the entire SD folder off the card for safety. Once done, download the latest Godmode9 build and extract the payload to your computer. Make sure Luma 3DS is up to date because it launches payloads. Without that, your new Godmode9 may not run. Now power off the console, remove the SD card, and get ready to copy the new payload into the correct folder on the card. With the payload on the card, insert the SD back into your 3DS and boot into the Luma launcher using the configured button combo. Then choose the payload you copied, typically listed as Godmode9 or GM9. Firm and launch it. Once Godmode9 starts, let it initialize and update any internal scripts or templates. This ensures menus match the new version. If the payload replaces files, give it time to write changes. After initialization, confirm the new version number shown in the top of the UI. Finish by rebooting the console normally and launching Godmode9 to verify the updated version and that key features. File browser, scripts, and system tools work. If your config files changed, copy them back from your SD backup and reconfigure settings as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if the system fails to boot or Godmode9 won't load, immediately power off. Boot into the Luma chain loader or safe mode, and either try the payload again or restore your NAND image from the backup you made at the start to recover the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.